Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us.
Alrighty, so I know I've been away for a while. I have been recording videos, I just haven't been making them and posting them, so I'm doing a really quick one here, and it's going over the Manage Every Password app that I have going right now. So what I do have working so far is I have a login page. Okay, so we're gonna spruce this up a little bit, make sure that these are center, because they're clearly not right now. But then we also, so I'm still working on the login process, but for right now, it can be blank. Or not. Give me 1 second. Okay, trying it one more time here, so you can hit the login button. I do not have the search working quite yet, but we will be able to do some searches. We'll make this a little bit shorter for a button here. Otherwise, what we'll also have going is as soon as you start typing, it'll show like different displays of information. So it'll have like a label here that you can click on for Amazon, right? And then, because it'll go by the most relevant, and then as you continue typing, then it'll give you a more exact view. So if you have like 3 Amazon accounts, then it'll show all 3 here. But if you start taking it away, and let's say you have an Apex account, then it'll show you your Apex account and then the Amazon ones as well. Okay, and then M comes before P, so it'll be the Amazon ones and then the Apex ones. And then we'll also have some nice graphics for it as well, so that if it's a common one, so like Amazon will have one, Gmail will have one, Facebook will have one, any like social media, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch, all of that jazz. Okay, and this will be a secure way of storing your passwords for everything on your device. And then you can just pull it up on your computer, like, oh, I don't remember my 1Password. So you'll open this up, and then you can search for it, and you can click it, and then you can see your password. And then when you log out, yeah, it does that. But also the passwords are encrypted as well. So we got that going. So when I click new, you can create a website here. You can put in a website name. So let's do Facebook, for example. Username, I don't know. Password, lol. And then you can actually generate passwords. If you already have one, then you can just submit it like this. If you do not, though, you can click here. So you can generate a password. You might have to click it a couple times for ones without special characters. So you can do ones with special characters, and then you can generate ones without special characters. Now, I don't have it doing it where it checks for special characters quite yet, and then it just gives you a password based on that, so you just have to click it once. But that is something that we are going to be working on. However, when I click submit, it sends it over to the database, and then we can see it on the database over there. I'm not going to go over there because it'll show you the encrypted version anyways, so it's not going to be of use. But yeah, this is what I got going so far. This is definitely a shorter video because I'm going to be working more on this and switching it up a little bit. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip side, kiddos.
My true collectible, famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air. That's how I roll. I got tons of soul. I'm my true collectible, famous, so famous, #1 desirable.